Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Jeep tire pressure gauge from Autometer. In any vehicle, maintaining the correct tire pressure is important, and if you're a Jeep owner, you know this is especially true. Whether you're off-roading or simply driving to work, this Jeep tire pressure gauge from Autometer is something to have in your console. On the road, proper tire pressure helps with fuel economy, which saves you money. And when trail riding, you probably want something a little more accurate than some cheap tire pressure stick from a big box store. If you go off-roading, you know how important it is to adjust tire pressure for increased traction, ride quality, and reduce the likelihood of tire punctures. The Jeep tire pressure gauge from Autometer is officially licensed and has a 14-inch braided stainless steel line with 360-degree swivels at each end. It also has an angled chuck, which makes measuring and accessing the valve stem so much easier. Obviously, there's no installation here, but it is easy to use. It has a thumb-operated pressure release valve for memory recall clearance and bleeding excess pressure. The Jeep tire pressure gauge from Autometer has a 12-month limited warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Jeep tire pressure gauge from Autometer. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out the description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Parts Pro in the Garage.